Hi. This is Holmes Guide. Welcome to our channel. Are you an artist looking for the perfect tablet to unleash your creativity? Look no further. In today's video, we'll be exploring the best tablets for artists, comparing their features, performance, and affordability. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with fellow artists. Number 1. Amazon Fire HD 10 Tablet, a powerhouse of entertainment and productivity packed into a sleek 10.1-inch device. With its vibrant 1080p Full HD display and 32GB of storage, this tablet brings your favorite movies, shows, and games to life with stunning clarity and ample space for your digital library. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series or tackling work on the go, the Fire HD 10 delivers smooth performance thanks to its quad-core processor and 2GB of RAM. Plus, with Alexa built in, you can effortlessly control your smart home devices, check the weather, or play your favorite tunes with just your voice. Experience the ultimate blend of versatility and affordability with the Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. Number 2. Samsung's Galaxy Tab A8 10.5-inch 32GB Android tablet is a versatile powerhouse packed with features perfect for both work and play. Its vibrant LCD screen delivers stunning visuals, while the inclusion of kids' content ensures entertainment for the whole family. With Smart Switch, transitioning from your old device is seamless, and the expandable memory allows you to store all your files with ease. The long-lasting battery and fast charging capability keep you connected throughout the day without interruption. Whether you're streaming, working, or gaming, this US version tablet offers reliability and performance that exceeds expectations. Number 3. Lenovo Tab M8 Tablet, a sleek and powerful device that's making waves in the Android tablet market. With its quad-core processor clocking in at 2 GHz, this tablet delivers smooth performance for all your tasks and entertainment needs. Boasting 32GB of storage, you'll have ample space for apps, photos, and more. The full metal cover gives it a premium feel while ensuring durability. Running on Android 10 Pie, you get access to the latest features and security updates. Plus, with its long battery life, you can stay productive and entertained on the go without worrying about constantly recharging. Whether for work or play, the Lenovo Tab M8 tablet offers a compelling package that's hard to beat. Number 4. Cooper's Tablet 10-inch Android tablets, your ultimate companion for seamless productivity and entertainment on the go. Powered by Android 12 and a robust quad-core processor, this tablet delivers smooth performance for multitasking, gaming, and streaming. With ample 32GB storage and 2GB RAM, you have plenty of space for apps, photos, and more. Capture life's moments in stunning detail with the 8MP camera, and enjoy extended usage thanks to its long-lasting battery life. Whether you're working, studying, or unwinding with your favorite content, the Cooper's tablet ensures a satisfying experience every time. Upgrade your digital lifestyle today. Number 5. Fionl Tablet 10.1-inch, the epitome of technological innovation in the realm of portable devices. With its cutting-edge Android 12 operating system, powered by an octa-core processor, this tablet offers seamless performance for all your multitasking needs. Boasting a generous 64GB storage capacity and the option to expand up to 512GB, storage concerns become a thing of the past. Capture life's moments in stunning detail with the dual 13MP plus 5MP camera setup, while the IPS Full HD display brings your content to life with vibrant colors and clarity. Stay connected on the go with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS functionalities. Whether for work or play, the Fionl tablet delivers unparalleled versatility and performance, making it a must-have companion in today's digital age. In conclusion, finding the best tablet for artists depends on individual needs and preferences. Whether it's the iPad Pro, Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, or others, each offers unique features catering to artistic endeavors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please like and share this video to help others discover their perfect artistic companion.